Jai Srimanarayana. 23rd sloka of 4th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Gata sangasya muktasya jnanavasthita chetasaha yajñāya आचरतः कर्म समग्रं प्रविलीयते. Om. Body is temporary. Whatever that you do for body also will stay temporary. You are permanent. You have to be doing something for you. In order to gain something for you, whatever you do, make sure and think that it is a service to Sri Krishna Paramatma. That becomes permanent and becomes useful for you. For every of your actions, keep saying that Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommends that every one of us should surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, Mamekam Saranam Vraja. Now let us respond to Sri Krishna Paramatma saying that, Ho Sriman Narayana, I shall definitely keep saying for every of my actions that Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. I shall dedicate all my actions to your divine lotus-like feet. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone. O Sriman Narayana, I shall act according to your word. Sriman Narayana, Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krutyam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hrudayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana Chaturmukha Brahma Saraswati Devi Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam udirayet. In Srimad Bhagavatam 9th Skandham, Suta Mahamuni giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, when Kartavirya shooted so many arrows, Parasurama with his only one bow broke all those arrows and Kartavirya's bows into pieces and pieces. Then Kartavirya immediately with his own hands started unrooting so many mountains and trees and tried to kill Parasurama. But Parasurama with his axe, he has with so much of velocity, he cut all those shoulders of Kartavirya, as and how the serpent's hoods are cut, just like that Parasurama cut the shoulders of Kartavirya Arjuna. Then immediately again he cut Kartavirya Arjuna's head. With that, Kartavirya Arjuna dead. After seeing their father Kartavirya Arjuna dead, the 10,000 sons ran away from the battlefield. Then Parasurama went to that Kamadhenu. Along with calf, he again brought Kamadhenu to the ashramam and gave that Kamadhenu and calf to his father Jamadagni. What happens next we will learn tomorrow. Om Shri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmad Gurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna rakshatu no jagatraya guruhu Krishnam namasyamyaham. Krishne namara shatravo vinihataha. Krishnaya tasmai namaha. Krishnadeva samuthitam jagadidam. Krishnasya dasosmyaham. Krishne tishtati visvametadakhilam. He Krishna samrakshamam. శ్రీమద్భగవద్గీత 4వ అధ్యాయము 23వ శ్లోకము. గతసంగస్య ముక్తస్య జ్ఞానావస్థితచేతసః యజ్ఞాయాచరతః కర్మ సమగ్రం ప్రవిలీయతే. గతసంగస్య ముక్తస్య జ్ఞానావస్థితచేతసః యజ్ఞాయాచరతః కర్మ సమగ్రం ప్రవిలీయతే. శ్రీమన్నారాయణ కరిష్యే వచనం తవ. సర్వం శ్రీకృష్ణార్పణమస్తు. జై శ్రీమన్నారాయణ.